Hello and welcome back to another episode of My Lanna Home. For those new and don't know me, my name is Shakira and we have been working on this project in the north of Thailand, which consists of these individual rice barns that we have connected with teak planks. At the moment we have 5 rice barns which are currently up, making it a whole house. And in the last episode, we were concentrating on a pond which is going to go underneath the house. Since the last episode, we've made a lot of progress. I was talking about how we were going to tile the whole pond, and that's now done. We ordered these black, almost like marble style tiles, and we've now completed that. Also, we have a plan on a new bathroom that we're going to do, which is actually going to be under another rice barn that we have just ordered from Chiang Mai. So that should be here within the next month or so, and then we're going to start working out the details of the bathroom underneath the house. And lastly, there's been a lot of fruiting on the land, especially with our longan. And if you don't know what longan are, they're like these brown fruits with like these little pip or seed inside it. They're like quite sweet, so we have loads of fruiting right now, so I'll take you along with me later and we can go and pick some. So yeah, that's all for this morning, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the episode. I want to introduce you guys to Som-O, who is our new cat, and he actually found us. So he used to belong to our neighbors and they actually left. So he kind of got left behind and found us, and yeah, he's claimed this as his new home. Hi! Aren't you comfortable? He's very friendly, very domesticated actually. And he seems pretty young. I think he's maybe a year or so. So this is our first pet.
like the traditional northern breakfast. What is it?
We arrived in Boklua, a quiet little village tucked deep into the mountains of Northern Thailand, and surprisingly, this place is all about salt. At the salt farm, the first thing we saw were these 2 baskets filled with salt, hanging over what looked like a handmade oven. Just behind, there were 3 wok-style pans which were slowly brewing salt water, all sourced from natural underground wells. They let it simmer for days until the salt crystals began to form. The lady who greeted us showed us all the different salt-based products, from scrubs, soaps, and bath salts, which all smelled amazing. She even tried one on my hand, gently scrubbing then rinsing it off into a small bowl. It left my skin feeling super soft and clean.
Oh, I've got a light. What is this whitening sauce?
It's not bad actually. You look whiter. You look a bit whiter. Little binoculars as well.
I quite like the other one.
Our next stop was a tiny village of Sapan. This actually ended up being one of my favorite stops. We found a small cafe overlooking the rice paddies and decided to stop for a coffee. Just as we sat down, the rain started to come in, so we took our time watching it drift across the valley. We ended up staying for nearly an hour. It was quiet, calm, and exactly what we needed before moving on. From there we headed to our next stop, the famous 3 Road, one of Thailand's most iconic mountain routes, known for its dramatic curves and the shape of the number 3.
It's got some weird. It's like the world's largest lemon over here. Look at the size of this. It's literally the size of my hand.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. If you guys want to see anything else, please let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll see you guys next time when there's a few more developments on everything, including the tiles, bathroom, kitchen, and yeah, bye!